Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this look. The eye is like a really bold, bright, very versatile blue, a pop of color, and I thought it would be a fun thing to recreate. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you do, please comment below. I'd be happy to hear some suggestions or any recommendations. Any feedback is welcome. Now on to the video.
So I've just baked my under eyes to remove fallout in the end. I'm using this paint pot to prep my eyes and using my fingers to warm it up. To make sure all the eyeshadow is blending smoothly, I'm going to be setting my primer with the nude eyeshadow. Then taking a very cool tone transition color, I'm going to place that right where my crease is and slightly above the crease. Then I'm going to take a warm tone transition color and place that right above where we blended the first eyeshadow. Taking a smaller fluffy brush like this, I'll be taking a deep brown eyeshadow and placing that right on the outer V and blending back and forth right below our crease. Now to roughly cut the crease, I'm taking a small pencil brush, placing the dark deep brown shadow in the crease and blending it out. Taking soft and gentle on a synthetic flat brush like this and placing it on my brow bone. For the start of the show, I'll be using this all over my lids. It's a very creamy eyeshadow and I'm going to be using a flat brush and cutting it out like this. You want to work in small sections and I'm going to just place this with my brush first and just carve out the line and then intensify the blue with my fingers after. For a smoky effect, I'm gonna apply a really dark brown eyeshadow on the outer edge of my lid. Just intensifying the blue here now because I lost some pigment. I'm just gonna tightline both my upper and lower lashes for more definition. And prep my lashes by curling them first and putting the mascara on before I put my false lashes. Also, I always remove excess on the bottle because it doesn't make my lashes clunky. Just going to dust all the bake and the fallout. To open up the eyes more, I'm going to place the same highlight we used as our brow bone highlight in the inner corners. I chose Edgy and Whimsy in my lower lash line.
that was SONY.